Top 5 Best Smartwatch of 2026. Looking for the best gaming keyboard in 2026? We've selected 5 impressive options that combine responsive performance, durable designs, customizable features, and comfortable layouts. Whether you're gaming, working, or creating content, these keyboards offer excellent choices for different needs and budgets. Number 1. Redragon K556PIO Wireless RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Redragon K556PIO is a versatile mechanical gaming keyboard designed for gamers who want performance, style, and flexibility. Its wireless connectivity gives you a cleaner setup, while the wired option provides reliable performance when needed. The mechanical switches deliver satisfying tactile feedback and responsive keystrokes, making it excellent for gaming and everyday typing, while the comfortable layout helps during extended gaming sessions. Overall, the K556PIO is a feature-packed choice for gamers seeking wireless freedom without sacrificing performance. Number 2. Redragon Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Wired. The Redragon Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Wired offers a straightforward combination of responsive mechanical keys, durable construction, and gaming-focused performance. Its wired connection provides stable input with no wireless interruptions, making it a practical choice for competitive gaming and everyday use. Number 3. AULA F2088 Typewriter Style Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Wired. The AULA F2088 stands out with its stylish typewriter-inspired design and mechanical keys. It combines retro aesthetics with modern gaming functionality, delivering responsive keystrokes for gaming and typing. The wired connection ensures stable performance, while its distinctive appearance can add personality to any desktop setup. It's a great choice for users who want a keyboard that looks as good as it performs. Number 4. RedThunder K10 Wired Gaming Keyboard and Mouse and Wrist Rest Combo. The RedThunder K10 is a convenient gaming bundle that includes a wired keyboard, gaming mouse, and wrist rest. This makes it an excellent option for anyone building a complete gaming setup, without purchasing each accessory separately. The keyboard provides responsive controls, while the included mouse complements the overall setup. The wrist rest adds extra comfort during longer gaming sessions. Its practical combination of essential accessories makes the K10 a budget-friendly choice for casual gamers, students, and everyday computer users who want an easy... Number 5. RK Royal KLUDGE R98 Pro Wired Mechanical Keyboard. The RK Royal KLUDGE R98 Pro is a compact mechanical keyboard designed for users who want a balance between functionality and desk space. Its wired connection provides dependable performance, while the mechanical switches offer responsive feedback for gaming and typing. The compact layout keeps commonly used keys accessible, while leaving more room for your mouse. Its clean design fits nicely into modern gaming or workstation setups. With its solid feel and practical layout, the R98 Pro is a strong choice for gamers, programmers, and productivity-focused users who prefer a streamlined mechanical keyboard without unnecessary bulk. Final verdict. Each keyboard offers something different. The Redragon K556PIO is the best overall choice for versatility and wireless flexibility. The Redragon wired model is great for simple, reliable gaming, while the AULA F2088 is ideal for stylish retro lovers. The RedThunder K10 offers excellent value as a complete bundle, and the RK Royal KLUDGE R98